We got too hot in the bucket. And we're dry and warm. So we're out in our clean box. We'll see how long it stays clean this time. And we're being fussy butts. Why are we being fussy butts, babies? They can't hear yet, I don't think. We're rotting already. It's always fun to with them and petting them and loving on them. This one is my favorite. And I think this one is my second favorite now. This is the flashy fawn girl. I really like them all. So guy kills me. He's so dang cute. Just like little babies, people's. Just a little bit of reassurance and then they stop fussing. Yellow collar is our plain brindle girl. Pink collar is our plain fawn girl firstborn. Yellow collar was fifthborn. Red collar is our secondborn plain girl fawn. Green collar is our sixthborn flashy fawn girl. Dark blue collar is our seventhborn flashy fawn boy. Black collar is our thirdborn flashy fawn boy. Purple collar is our eighthborn flashy brindle girl. And light blue collar is our fourthborn plain brindle boy. They are so sweet and precious.